In this video, you will learn how we do basic data analysis in SPSS software. So this is our SPSS window. Here you can see the data view and variable view. Uh, I import this data set from Excel sheet. So here I have to recoding numbers like in gender, 1 reserved for male. So we add the label here, 2 for female, and here okay. So this save in this window. Similarly, age haven't any rank in rank. We have two categories here in rank. So one for student and two for teachers. And okay. So in credit hours, we have four options. First one for the strongly disagree, two for the agree, two for disagree, and three for agree, four for strongly agree. And okay, so we fill this column, and if we have the same options of other, we can do copy and paste. Like we have same option for here, so we can do paste it here. We can have same options for this variable, so we can also do paste it here, and same for the next variable. We have same option, so we can paste it here, same options. So for the same options, you can write it once and paste in other columns. So on this way, you can paste your all the options which have same score you enter once. So after filling the values, move towards the data view sheet. In data view, so in data view sheet, we have these values, but we don't need the decimals here, so we can decrease the 0 for all, and when we change the decimals here, this will change whole data in our data view sheet. So we do it till 0 decimal, and you can see the change in it. So now our data set is ready and for analysis. So now move on the top toolbar. Here you can see file, edit, view, data, transform, analyze. So for analysis, you have to come in the tab analyze, click here. If you want to do descriptive analysis, so select the option descriptive analysis. Here you can see different options like frequencies, descriptives, explore, cross tabs, ratios, PP plot, QQ plot. So whatever is your required, click that option. Like if we want to find frequencies, take the column frequency tab here. So you can see your variables here. So in your variables, you can see If we need the variable gender for analysis, we can click here, age, and click here. And similarly, we need rank, can click here, creditors, online GPA, on-site GPA, time management, written communications, online communications. So, so after this section of variable, now look at these tabs. Here you can see statistics. So take here, you need quartiles. So check the box. If you need mean, median, mode, skewness, kurtosis, standard deviation, variance, range. After check the box, do it continue. If you need charts or graphs as well on the same variable in the same sheet, so tick the option. So if you need pie chart, you can tick here. If you need bar, histogram, so pie. In pie, he asked you about the option either you want to construct the pie chart in form of frequencies or in percentages. So tick the one, you continue, and if you need frequency tables as well against these variables, so check the box, frequency tables, now do OK. So here you can see the analysis. So you can see the output. This is the statistic of gender, mean, median, mode. Again, you can see in this you have the name of variables, gender, age, rank, credit hours, on-site, GPA, online GPA, and here you have the description of these, like mean, median, standard deviation, variance, skewness, kurtosis, and percentiles against these variables. So in next column, you can see the frequency table of each variable. Like in first we have gender. So the male percent in our questionnaire or in our study was the 35% and female ratio is 62%. Again, we have the age. Next we have rank. Like in our studies, 96% are students and almost 4% are teachers. In credit hours, you can see the strongly agree options. In on-site GPA, the respondents' response is this. So you can interpret these tables very easily as online communication. You can see the 13% are strongly agree and 40% are agree and 41% are strongly disagree. So in this way you can interpret these columns. Here you can see the pie chart of male. Here you can see the age, rank, credit hours, online communication. So in this way you can do any data set analysis in SPSS. So just go in the tab of Analyze, Descriptive Frequencies and check your required policies.